Today I'm going to teach you the music theory practice paper, grade 1 from ABRSM. So if you are taking grade 1 online exam, this video is for you. Or you want to score a full marks, then you must watch this video. And because I'm going to walk you through every single question one by one and step by step, and why you should answer like this way, correct? At the end of the video, then you will see how I score a full marks in this video. Okay, let's jump right in. So we have a 69 question to do, and the time limit is 90 minutes. Okay, I try my best to explain every single question in 90 minutes, yeah, so that you can understand why the question has to be answered like this way. Number one question is about rhythms. Select the correct time signature for the bars. We've got 2/4, 4/4, and 3/4. Okay, so let's look at this one. Yeah, over here is the one counts. This one is 1 beat, half beat, half beat. This is 1 counts, and quarter. You got 4/4, and this is 1. So you got a 1, 1, 1, 1. So 4, 1 together. Your answer is 4/4. Okay, next. Okay, this is one of the rhythm that a lot of students will miss it because no, there's a dotted notes here. Let me explain to you more what is the dotted knot. Okay, dotted knots, if you split it, right, it will become like this here. It's equals to 1 plus half, correct? So, but now you got a quaver, correct? It's dotted quaver knots is actually equals to half plus 1/4, correct, equals to 3/4. So when you get 3/4 plus 1/4 is equals to 1. So the whole things here is 1 and plus 1. So your answer is 2/4. Okay, next question. Okay, for this one, it's a 1.5 counts plus half and then plus 1. So 1.5 plus half is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer is 3/4. Drag and drop the missing bar lines to make a 2 bars melodies. So the bar lines here, first we need to look at the time signature. This is 2/4. 2/4 means every bars we need a 2 counts, correct? So this got a 4/4. Then this one is a half beat. With the half beats here, total is a 2 counts, right? So your bar line will be over here. Okay, you see the next bar, can you see this is medium, right? Medium is the 2 count as well. Next, now it's a bar line again. So first, when you every time you see the bar lines, right, we need to look at the time signature, which is 3/4. 3/4 means I need a 3 counts in bar. So you have a 1 counts here, 2 counts here, half plus half is 1, so it's a 3 counts here. So your bar line will be over here. The next one, okay, is a bar line again. So we got 4/4. 4/4 means 4 counts in a bar, right? This is medium. Medium is 2 counts. This is 1. Another one is 1 again. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 is a 4 count. So your bar line should be over here. So next one, you got 2/4 means I need 2 counts in the bar. You got a 1.5 count here, as I mentioned earlier. Crochet plus a dotted knot is a 1.5. 1.5 plus half is 2. So your 2 counts is here. Okay, this is 3/4 again. 3/4 means I need 3 counts in the bar. You got a dotted quaver, remember, that's a 3/4. 3/4 plus 1/4 is equals to 1. So this rhythm is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is a 3 count. So your answer should be over here. Next, how many quavers are there in a dotted medium? Okay, quaver. First, you need to understand what is the quavers. quiver is half beat, right? Quiver is half beat, and dotted medium is 3 beats, right? This is the half beats. This is 3 beats. So how many half become 3? So 1 beat got 2 half, right? 3 got 6, right? So your answer is 6. Okay, next. How many quarters are there in a semi-brief? Okay, first this one you need to know what is the quarter, what is the semi-brief, right? So quarter is this one, semi-brief is this one. So quarter is 1 count, semi-brief is 4 count, which your answer will be 4. Right. Next one. Select which of this bar is grouped correctly. Okay, for the groupings, why again we need to look at the time signature. How to decide the grouping is like if you have a 3 4, you have to group 1 1 1. So that's a 3 1 count. If you are doing 3 4, you have to do 1 1 1 like this. Okay, let me explain to you. Okay, let's say you got a 3 4, correct. You need to do 1 group by 1 1 and then 1 counts. Okay, so we need to find a group that can group in 1 1 1. When you look at the first one, this is 1, correct. The next two are the quarter note, so this makes half and this makes half. Okay, so this is wrong, right? This is not the right things here because you can't have a break here. Get this as well, correct. So you look at the last one here, this is 1, 4 quarter together is 1, and then this is 1 again. So yep, so this is the right groupings here. So your answer is 3 4. Okay, next. Okay, let me erase first. So the question for this one asks, okay, so I need 4 counts in the bars. Here got 1 1, and this, the rest is stand for 4 counts. So 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6 counts. In total, I need 4 counts in the bar. So your S is incorrect. Number 1 is a 1.5 plus half is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1, this is 4. So it's correct. Okay, the last one here, this is 1 plus 1. So take note, this rest is stand for quarter, which is semi-quiver rest here. So semi-quiver rest with this 4 semi-quiver is equals to 1. 1 1 1 1. So 4 counts. Correct? Yes, it's correct. Okay, next, select which of this group of knots is rated in the correct order from the shortest values to the longest. Okay, we need to find the shortest. So every question, first knot is shortest. It's the shortest one because it's a quarter knot, right? Quarter is the shorter one. Okay, next one, again, you need to look at the dotted quiver. Remember dotted quiver? I explained to you earlier. This dotted quiver is 3 4. 3 over 4, correct? It's 3 quarter. So your answer, it should be the first one here because quarter 3 4 3 quarter, right? And then 2 counts and 4 counts is correct. Why this one? Because quarter, the next one is 2 counts. Yeah, the 3 quarter is shorter than 2 counts, so it can't be this one here. The next one is okay, quarter 3 quarter 4 counts. No way, because no, 2 count is shorter than 4 counts. No, 4 counts shorter than the 2 counts, right? Next we have a picture. Okay. How do you read this base craft is, when you do the base craft knot, we are doing a count, eat, brush in the step. Yeah, so the A will be over here. First space, second space, third space, and then this is fourth space here. Okay, so this is one step higher than the E, so this should be a F knot. But it's because here they got a key signature F sharp, so your answer had to become a F sharp, right? Okay, for the treble clef, this a bit different. For the treble clef, we need to use the phase F, A, C, E. Okay, look at the knots here. This is E, so it's actually one step higher than the E knot. So your answer is F knot. Okay, go on. Yeah, so this is the easiest one. Okay, this one is the middle C. Okay, so it's a middle C, but they got a sharp, so it should be a C sharp. Okay, so remember A, C, E, G, count, E, grass. So the G go up one step is the A note. Okay, next one. Okay, for treble clef using the phase F, A here, A go up is the B, but get a flat here, so the answer should be B flat. Okay, next, so bass clef again, so this is A have to step down, right? Before A note is the G note. The next one, okay, remember F, A, C, E. Yeah, this is E note. A shortcut to read a faster one, so the phase. Okay, for this question, you need to remember we have three types. In the grade 1, we have three types of accidentals, which is sharp, right? We call this a sharp. We have a flat, right? And this is a natural. You have to always remember the sharp is always the highest, the flat is always the lowest. So the natural is in the middle, correct? So if you compare these two, let's say which one is higher, this is the highest. Alright, let's say compare these two, which one is higher, the natural is higher. So you always have to remember flat, natural, and sharp. Okay, so look at these two, they want lower, so definitely your natural will be the lowest, right? Okay, go on to the next one. Okay, so again, remember lower, the flat always the lowest, right? The flat always the lower. So I want the lower, flat always the lowest. Lower, natural, right? Compare sharp is the highest, then this one is a natural. Then for that, okay, we have a clef here. Clef. In grade 1, you got two clef. One is the treble clef, another is the bass clef here. So when you do treble clef, you are using F, A, C, E to find the note. So let's say F, A, C, E, the F is here, correct? But F step down is the E note, so it can't be the G note. So your answer is the bass clef. Okay, next one we have E note. Okay, we need an E note. You try the treble clef first. You see F, A, C, E. Okay, so this is E note. So we got a treble clef. Next one, select the correct clef to make this C note. Middle C, bass clef, middle C. Yep. So select the correct clef to make this note B flat. So I need a B flat. So again, we try the treble clef first. So this is the F note, but F go up. If let's say this note in treble clef, it should be a G flat. So now we want a B flat, correct? It must be a bass clef. So next we have the key and scales. Select the key of F major. So this one is the B flat. Let's move on to this one, the D. Select the correctly written key signature of D major. D major got F sharp, C sharp. You need to remember. So look at the first one, that's F sharp and C sharp. Second one is the F sharp, so it's out. The third one is the D sharp, is A sharp. No, impossible. Although the last one is the F sharp, but the F sharp should start at the top. So your answer should be this one. So the next one, we need to select the three notes that make a G major, correct? First we need to know G major. Okay, got a F sharp, correct? So you need to find all the F note and put the F sharp tab, correct? So your answer is number 2, number 6, number 6, and one more is 10, right? 32. So we need a 2 pair of semitone. First we need to know what is the semitone here. So we need to draw a piano, right? If you have the piano here, yeah, you don't need to memorize anything here. You just need to know that semitones, right, is actually a half step. Some people call this as a half step, some people call this as the one step, correct? Yeah, either way will do, so it's fine, correct? So because C to D, you can see C to D, this is one semitone, right? Yeah, and then D, C, C to C sharp is one semitone, correct? But when you see C to D, it's actually one step, two step here, so it's not a semitone anymore. So you need to find a one step. Okay, so for example, E to F, yep, you can see E to F here, there's no black key, so this is only go to this one step here. Alright, so this is your answer is 3. The next one, you can see F to G is impossible, G to A is impossible, A to B is impossible, and the B to C is one step. So your answer should be 3 and 4. 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Okay, next. One flat is key C major or F major? Yes, correct. F major got one B flat. Yeah. Okay, the next one. One sharp in D major? No, because D major got two sharp. You need to memorize it. F sharp and C sharp, correct? One sharp is G major, so this is false. Let's go on. Second degree, okay, second degree very easy. You may use the finger to count the step first. Like example, G major, the first one is G. G go up, one step is a 2, correct? So 2 is a second, so G, A. So your note must be A. So this is A note, yep, it's true. Next one, 36, F. Okay, so you see F, G, A, B. So it's a B. But because F major got a B flat, but this note got no B flat, so it's false. 37, G major scale must start with G note. Okay, you look at the question, you look at the answer 1 here. Start with the B note, so it's out. Alright, you must start with the G note. So like second one, you can see start with G note. Yeah, it's maybe this correct. But when you see the next sharp is A sharp, so it's out as well because G major got F sharp. The answer it should be here. G, A, B, C, D, E. You got an F sharp here. Alright. And then C major got none, nothing, correct? There's no sharp, no flat. But when you see flat or sharp here, then this is not a C major anymore, correct? So I see a flat here, so it's out. So 39, D major, F sharp, and C sharp. Okay, so you look at the 8 here. So this is, okay, what's the question again? Okay, 2 incorrect notes here. So look at the 8 here, it's got D sharp. So 8 is out, correct? We need to find one more. Remember F sharp, C sharp? You look at number 6 here, is F note. So we need to put an F sharp there. So your answer is 6. Next, interval. Right, interval is the distance between two notes. Right. So this is a D here. So I need the 4. Right. So D, E, F, G. So you need to write a G note here. Right. Next one, I want a second from the D here. So this is D. It's an E here. Right. Yeah, we doing. And then I want to 8 approx here. So this is D. I will go to the D note here. Okay, why I can count so fast? Because I just do it, right? I can't count so fast. Okay, you can use the finger to count like D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. So it's a D note. Or you can do the step by step. What I mean step by step is like that. Okay. If you want to do step by step, it would be like, okay, space, line, space, line, space, line, space. So you can see that's 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 notes. Yeah, so you can use this way to count it. Or you can use the finger to count it, that would be faster. Alright. And the next one, okay, we need a 5. So this D will go to the A. Next one, we need a 6 step. So this is a D again. You can use the finger to count, right? D, E, F, G, A, B. So it's a B note. Don't make sure you don't go down because the note should be higher, correct? Next one, okay, C major here. So you got a 1, 2, 3. So it's the third approach here. Okay, next one, this is the A approach. Then this is the 4 approach. And over here is the 7 approach here. So over here is a 5 approach. See, 1, 2, okay, or you can count C to G. C, D, E, F, G is a 5 here, correct? So Donic triad. Donic triad is formed by a 3 note, okay? Or you can call this as a chord, correct? So in a pop song or contemporary means they call this as a chord. Okay, we call this as the Donic triad. Donic triad always start with the first note of the key. For example, G major will start with the G. Okay, it's a GBD. So this is GBD. Yes, correct. Then the next one, F major will start with the F, but this one they start with the C, so it's wrong. Correct. So next one, D major will start with D, F, but it should be an A note for the last one here, but they do a D note, so it's wrong. Okay, next. Okay, so F major, we need F A C, correct? There's F a C here, so we need to put the A note here. Okay, next one we got a D major, so D major will do D F sharp A, so they put the F sharp and A already here, so we need to put one D note here. Next one, C major, C E G, yep, C E G, so we have a C E G. Next we have a F A C, correct? So it should be a F major. It can be C major because C major will start with C, G major will start with G, D major will start with the D, correct? Next one. So what is the dotted triad? Again, look at the first note, right? Look at the bottom note here. So this is G note, so it's a G major. Okay, this one is a D major, correct? Okay, make sure there's a D sharp because D major got D sharp. But when you see no D sharp, no F sharp, make sure you see the F sharp. When you see no F sharp, that's a D minor, correct? Not D major. So but this sharp, F sharp, correct? So there's a D major. So this is a C major. Okay, next one we have term and sign. Okay, staccato is stand for detach, or you can call it as short. Alright, so when you see in playing, it will look like this here. So you got a quartet or quaver, correct? You see the dot here, correct? This dot will stand for staccato. Okay, so your answer is detach. Next one, discrescendo is getting softer, okay? Or you can say this getting quicker. Adagio is stand for slow, okay? All this Italian term, right? You got two way to do it, two way to do it. One is that you use a lot of time, correct? Then the meanings will keep in your mind. So once you see adagio, then you will know slow. The second one is you memorize the Italian term. Yeah, that's the two way here. So you purposely read it, or adagio is slow, right? Yeah, keep in your mind, right? Read a few times, or you play a lot of time, right? Yeah. MP means moderately quiet. Next one, 120 quartet beats in a minute. So okay, this is stand for the speed here. So you think about it, 1 minute, correct? 60 seconds. I play 120 quartet. Is it fast? Not very fast, right? But this is a minimum speed for allegro, likely. Right? So now we have this one. Okay. Look at the melody to answer the question here. So the melody get louder to the end, yes or no? But you look at this sign here, it should be loud to soft, right? Yeah, it should be getting softer. So it's false. Next one we have what question? Okay, select the bar that contains all the notes of Donitriad of C major. So Donitriad C major, C E G, correct? So you need a C E G. So they got bar 1, bar 2, bar 5, bar 6 here. Bar 1 is impossible, there's only 2 notes, correct? You look at the bar 2 here, C, E, G. Yes, I found the answer here. Okay, 67. Okay, longest note in the melody is longest note. Yep, I found it. This one, the bar 8. Alright, bar 8. Semi-brief. Okay, bar 1 has the same features as, okay, I got a C and B. It's like a repeat, correct? Repeat the C and B again. Okay, fine. Yes, I found it. So bar 7. So it's a C and B again. So it's a bar 7. So last question. The highest note in the melody is okay, I found bar 5. Correct, it's a G. Okay, let's see if we can get a full marks. Okay, congratulations, you have now reached the end of the sample music theory for grade 1. Once I add the key, then I would know, right, whether we can get a full marks or not. Are you excited? Okay, let's do it. Can we get a full marks? And the test. Okay. Ta-da! That's the full marks here. Can you see that? 75 out of 75. Yes, all question is finished. I don't know what is non-scoring item, but I have answered all the question. Then you can see all correct. Yeah, yeah, all the correct things here. Yep, and it comes to the end of this grade 1 ABRSM theory papers. I hope you learned something in the videos, and if you like the videos, remember give me a thumbs up, okay, and subscribe my videos. I will create more videos like this to help you in scoring full marks and distinction in ABRSM online exam. See you in the grade 2 online exam. Bye bye.